Geety Images unleashes AI art generator. But is it legal? Geety is harnessing the power of AI to create original art and photos. The media giant just launched a new generative AI service for its ISTIC customers. For $15 per 100 images, it uses AI models trained on ISTIC's massive library to generate fresh visual content. You input text prompts and out pops original artwork and photos. Geety claims its AI won't reproduce copyrighted content or real people and places. But can we trust these safeguards? Recent studies show AI still copies training data, even when not prompted. So legal risks remain for users. To cover their bases, Geety offers $10,000 in legal protection if you get sued over AI-generated images. Yikes! This highlights the messy copyright debate around AI art. Lawsuits are flying from major artists against AI firms. And things could get worse as Gen AI spreads. On one hand, unlocking AI creativity expands possibilities for all. But we have to make sure credit and rights go to humans whose work trains the models. Geety is taking a bold step into our AI visual future. But the legal boundaries are still murky. For now, proceed with caution before hitting generate. Are you excited to try Geety's new AI art toy? Or worried about shaky legal grounds? Sound off in the comments.